Welcome to SPV Autotech, the Mechanical World YouTube channel. In this channel, we explore the wonders of automotive engineering and share tips and tricks for car enthusiasts. Join us as we dive into the mechanics behind speed performance and the technology that drives modern vehicles. From diagnostics to restorations, we aim to empower every viewer with knowledge and inspiration in the mechanical world. Whether you're a seasoned mechanic or just starting out, there's something for everyone at SPV Autotech. Get ready to learn, connect, and celebrate the beauty of automotive craftsmanship with our engaging content.
1. Single turbo. What it is? One turbo with a single exhaust inlet. Used in India. 1.0-1.4 L petrol engines, Hyundai Creta, Venue, Kia Seltos. 1.5 L diesel units, Hyundai, Kia U engine FGT. Pros: simple, affordable, compact. Cons: lag at low revs, narrow power band. 2. Twin scroll turbo. What it is? One turbo with divided inlet and exhaust manifold for exhaust pulse separation. Usage in India. Fiat 2.0 L diesel, Jeep Compass, Tata Harrier, all with VGT. Premium petrols, BMW's B46, B58 engines imported. Pros: faster spool, efficient across RPM, low lag. Cons: requires specific manifold, more complex, costlier.
3. Variable geometry turbo, VGT/VNT. What it is: adjustable vanes in the turbine housing to optimize spool at all revs. Used in India. Fiat 2.0 L diesel, Compass/Harrier. Pros: near zero lag, strong low RPM response, efficient. Cons: complex, costly, more prone to carbon fouling. 4. Variable twin scroll turbo. What it is: twin scroll turbo with variable geometry feature. Usage: rare in India, more common in global premium models. Pros: best response and efficiency. Cons: very costly and mechanically complex. 5. Twin turbo, sequential/parallel. What it is: two turbos, either each bank, parallel, or small then big, sequential. Used in India. AMG i4 in imported Mercedes, MG Gloster diesel biturbo. Pros: smooth power delivery across RPM, reduced lag. Cons: high cost, complexity, packaging challenges. 6. Electric turbo, E-turbo. What it is: turbo with integrated electric compressor to optimize spool instantly. Used in India, not yet mainstream, global high-end, Audi SQ7, Volvo PowerPulse. Pros: virtually no lag, excellent throttle response. Cons: very complex and costly, needs high voltage wiring. Summary table: turbo type Indian models. Pros cons: single Creta/Venue 1.0T, FGT diesel cheap, simple, compact lag, narrow RPM range, twin scroll Compass/Harrier diesel, premium petrol imports quick spool, smooth, efficient need special manifold, costlier, VGT/VNT Compass/Harrier diesel great low-end torque, wide range complex, prone to clogging. Variable twin scroll rare best performance and flexibility very expensive, complex, twin turbo AMG i4, MG Gloster. Flatter torque, smooth ramp up high comp. Recommendations: for everyday use efficiency, single or twin scroll turbos, common in India. For high performance or premium driving, VGT, twin turbo, or electric turbo, imported/hybrid.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to SPV Autotech, the Mechanical World, and like, comment, and share. In this exciting world of mechanics where every bolt and gear matters, we invite you to join our community. Your support helps us keep the passion for cars and technology alive. With your subscription, you will gain access to expert tips, tutorials, and insights into the world of automotive technology. Join us as we explore innovation and craftsmanship in every episode. From restoration projects to thrilling races, our channel brings you the heart-pounding adventures of the automotive industry. Stay tuned for more exciting content.